Hello viewers, today we will solve the middle of the linked list by the second approach. The second approach is through the two pointer approach, which contains slow and a last pointer, means first pointer. So the code for this is list node list node list node star slow equals to, first we have to put it on a head, and then list node first, which is put it on a head, okay, and then I will traverse through the linked list through a while condition that when the first is not equals to null and and first connect is not equal to null, then I have to do it is that slow equals to slow connects and first equals to first का next. स्लो एक बार जाएगा और फास्ट होगा वो दो बार मूव करेगा. So you have to do just like that, and then after this you just have to return the slow pointer. This is the way you will find the middle of the linked list. So let's check it. There is an error. Okay, there is an equals to error. Sorry. Anything? Okay, let's run it. Yeah, this is working properly. Let's submit it. Yeah, it is accepted. Thank you.